According to ISO 12100, machines are defined to be a combination of different parts where at least one of them is moving. And not only does it consist of mechanical systems, it also consists of electrical systems where Phoenix Contact is closely linked to. My name is Adeline and I will be your reporter for today's series of Understanding Machine Builders. But what can be achieved with machines? Well, machines are widely used, especially in areas for labour shortage, precision and accuracy. So what did we observe after years of supporting? Well, we observed that machine builders are commonly looking at the four core values of safety, cost-effectiveness, performance and modularity. Now let's dive a little deeper, shall we? For the concept of safety, the main focus is to protect human lives from accidental injuries when operating a machine. And with these safety functions, the conveyor can thus stop. As important as it is, cost effectiveness is also a core value that machine builders are looking out for to maximize profitability and stay competitive. However, cost effectiveness is not the only way to stay competitive. Having a high-performing machine will also aid in the overall reduction of production cost. And this, in turn, is a very attractive point for our end users. Additionally, for our modular machines, it benefits the machine builders and the end users with its key benefits of high transportability and scalability. And of course, Phoenix Contact has a big range of products and solutions to support your machine design according to these four core values. And remember to like, share and subscribe. From the machine building team to you, we'll see you soon. Goodbye!